नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। और आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 24। ओके, और जो मेरा गोल है UPSC CSE 2024, उसको डे रह रहे हैं 345 डेज। ओके, सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी माय टुडेज टारगेट, today's schedule to achieve my goal. And before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, so today I will do study of GS 3 conservation, environment pollution and degradation, and environment impact assessment. Okay, so basically I will do environment related study. It is part of GS3, and during these 4 study block from 9 to 10 am, 11 to 12, 1 to 2, and 3 to 4 pm, these are my 4 focus study session. Okay, and after that I will have from 6 to 8 is my buffer time. During this time, if anything remaining, I will do that thing during this time. And 9 to 10 I will do revision. Whatever I have studied today, I will do that revision. And 10 to 11 I will do self reflection. Okay, and between these study block it is 1 hour time, so I will do during this time micro learning plus if something is pending, that thing. Okay, so this was my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve it. And friends, one thing I want to share, that if you subscribe the channel, it gives me motivation to study more. Although there is no correlation between this, but I think if I can study by watching me, definitely you can also study. So that things gives me motivation. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.